20 ming nafar shaxs Andijon polkasi raqsiga tushganida xabaringlar bor. Shundan 479 nafari raqsni milliy an'analarini saqlagan holda raqsni amalga oshirgani uchun Ginnesning rekordlar kitobiga kiritildi. Va sovrinni qabul qilib olish uchun esa yana bir bor Madaniyat vaziri Nazarbekov Ozodbek Ahmadovichni hamda Andijon viloyati hokimi Abdurahmonov Shuhrat Qo'shoqboyevlarni taklif etamiz.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Sheyda Subasi, and I am an official adjudicator with Guinness World Records, the global authority on record-breaking achievements since 1955. Today, Andijan, Uzbekistan attempted the Guinness World Records record attempt for the largest Uzbek folk dance. And now I would like to inform you about the official result. Ladies and gentlemen, it's a great pleasure for me to officially announce that Andijan, as the new Guinness World Records title holder for the largest Uzbek folk dance with the Andijan Polka. Congratulations! Many thanks. Congratulations!
Xorvatiyadagi eng mashhur, dunyoga nomi ketgan Andijon polkasi Guinnessning rekordlar kitobiga kiritildi. Olqishlarga arziydi.